Applications of ratio and proportion include scale drawings and their calculations. Learn how to calculate true and false lengths in drawings to solve practical problems. Scale drawing is the ratio of the dimension in the drawing or model to the dimension in reality. Scale drawing can be expressed on maps as shown. This means that every 1 centimeter on the map represents 25 kilometers in reality. Scale drawing example. If the scale drawing of a map is 1 to 600,000 and the distance between 2 points on the map is 4.5 centimeter, find the real distance between the 2 points. The answer scale drawing equals 1 to 600,000 equals 4.5 to real distance. Cross multiplication real distance equals 600,000 multiply 4.5 equals 2,700,000 centimeters, that equals 27 kilometers. Note that 1 kilometer equals 1,000 meters and 1 meter equals 10 decimeters or equals 100 centimeters, then 1 centimeter equals 10 millimeters. Proportional division is dividing something such as money, a piece of land, or weight, etc. into 2 or more parts based on a specified ratio. Proportional division is used in many real-life applications, including dividing profits, distributing inheritance, and other practical applications. Example: if the ratio between the number of hydrogen atoms, H, to oxygen atoms, O, in water molecule is 2 to 1, how many atoms of each of them are there in a drop of water containing 1,200,000 atoms? The answer is the sum of parts equals 2 plus 1 equals 3. When divide 1,200,000 by 3 equals 400,000, therefore calculate oxygen atoms equals 1 multiply 400,000, that equals 400,000. Hydrogen atoms equals 2 multiply 400,000, that equals 800,000. Proportional division example. 3 persons invested in the construction of a factory. The first person paid 9 million LE, the second person paid 6 million LE. And the third person paid 7,500,000 LE. At the end of the first year, the profits amounted to 2,250,000 LE. And the profits were distributed based on each person's capital contribution. Calculate the share of the first year's profit for each person. The answer to calculate proportion between each person, divide each amount by 100,000, then by 15. While proportion equals 6 to 4 to 5, sum of parts is 6 plus 4 plus 5 equals 15. Then divide profit 2,250,000 by 15 equals 150,000. Therefore, the first person's share equals 6 multiply 150,000, that equals 900,000 The second person's share equals 4 multiply 150,000, that equals 600,000. Finally, the third person's share equals 5 multiply 150,000, that equals 750,000. Percentage applications means when the price of an item decreases at a rate of d%, then deduction value equals item price multiplied d% equals item price multiplied d divided by 100. The item's price after deduction equals original price minus deduction value. Example: if the price of a smartphone displayed in a store is 12,750 LE, and the store offered a 8% discount rate, what is the phone's price after discount? The answer is, discount value equals 12,750 multiply 8 divided by 100, that equals 1020 LE. Hence phone's price after discount equals 2750 minus 1020 equals 11,1730 LE. Last example, Sandy received a 15% discount rate on a pair of sneakers from one of the stores. She paid 340 LE. What was the original price of the sneakers? The answer is, percentage of the sale price to the original price is 100% minus 15% equals 85%. Then original price multiply 85% equals 340. Therefore original price equals 340 multiply 100 divide by 85, that equals 400 LE.